Hi guys, today we're going to discuss English Stage 6, Paper 1 Non-Fiction, 2023 is Cambridge Primary Progression Test. Total duration for this paper is 1 hour. Additional material is inserted as you can see from the right hand side. And total mark is 50. This section consists of two sections. Section A readings, you spend 30 minutes for this section. We read text A for question 1 till 6. This is the whole text A. You can take a screenshot and save it in your laptop for your self-study. And then after that we have question 7 till 11 for text B. This is text B. You may take a screenshot as well. After that we have section B, that is writing. We spend 3 minutes for this section. We have to write a review for a museum. This is the space for your plan, the 1 page, and there are 2 full pages provided to write your response. Let's get started from question 1 now, and we skim the text A really quickly in 1 minute. Let's try to make it 1 minute. Let's get started. Okay, that's the end of the reading. Now let's see question 1. Look at the first paragraph, lines 5 till 9. Give one example of a passive verb form. You'll be given 10 seconds to answer this question. You may pause this video. Okay. Well, the answer is was built. Let's see from the text. Well, if we see the Titanic which was built, this is the passive verb in the first paragraph. If you see question from English checkpoint, the first question is from the first paragraph, the second question usually from the second paragraph, and so on. So it's in order, so it's easy to find the answer. So that is the answer. Okay, let's move to question number 2. Okay, 1B now. How long did it take to build the Titanic? So 10 seconds from now. It's still from the first paragraph. Have you got the answer? If not, you may pause this video. Let's reveal the answer. So it took 3 years to build the Titanic. You got the same answer? So 3 years is there. Let's get moving. Okay, so question C. What does the writer compare the size of Titanic to? 10 seconds from now. Alright, let's check out what's the answer. So you might pause the video if you need some more time. So the answer is here 3 football fields. So 3 football fields. So that's the answer, 3 football fields. Let's move on. Look at the second paragraph. This is second paragraph. Give one phrase that means first trip. So first trip. 10 seconds from now. Okay, if you need some more time, you may pause this video. So this is the answer. Sorry, mistake. Question 2b. Which group of passengers on the Titanic would have bought one-way tickets? 10 seconds from now. Still on second paragraph. Okay, time up. You may pause this video if you need some more time. Here's the clue, guys. Okay, let's reveal the answer. Let's reveal the answer. People who wanted to start a new life in the US. Alright, next. How does the writer link the ideas between the first and second paragraph? 10 seconds from now. Okay, the clue is in the year 1912, so let's reveal the answer. The clue is in the year 1912. So the answer is the start of the second paragraph uses the same year 1912 as it did at the end of the first paragraph. Alright, let's move on. Now we are in question 4. Look at the third paragraph. Give one abstract noun from the first sentence. So third paragraph, this one. Abstract noun. 10 seconds from now. Okay, have you got your answer? If you haven't, you may pause this video for a while. So the clue is abstract noun. It's a noun that you cannot touch or you cannot see. Alright. So the answer is life. Life is the answer. So if you need some more explanation about abstract noun, here's the explanation. If not, you may skip to the next question. Here we go. Abstract nouns versus concrete nouns. Abstract nouns are feelings or ideas. Concrete noun is a person, place, or thing. Concrete noun can be touched or seen, while abstract noun can't be seen or touched. Example is joy, hate, happiness, excitement, sadness, trust, freedom, faith, excitement, courage, idea. Concrete nouns, pencil, tables, store, park, something you can see that or you can touch, door, friend, plane. So that's it about abstract noun. Let's get moving to next question. Still in question 4 from the same paragraph. What does elegant mean? Tick one box. Is it expensive, stylish, entertaining, or sociable? 10 seconds from now. Here's good. Elegant. Okay, you got your answer. Let's check it out. Okay, so it's stylish. You can see that elegant dining room. Okay, stylish is not, it's more appropriate. Now, questions 4C, still from the same third paragraph. We'll see, give one example of a sentence with parenthetic commas. Write whole sentence. So I'm here, 10 seconds from now. Here is the parenthetic commas. Here and here. The first one is not, sorry. Okay, let's check it out. So here's the parenthetic comma and comma. So let's reveal the answer. So the third class facilities at the bottom of the ship were much more basics. Now let's take a look of that. Okay, let's just move to next question. That is question D. Do you think you would like to have been a second class passenger on the Titanic? Take one box. Okay, yes or no, and give two pieces of evidence from the text to support your answer. Piece of evidence 1 or piece of evidence 2. So 10 seconds from now. Okay, the response for this is free response. If you answer yes, you may have to give the proper reason. If you answer no, you also have to give the proper reason, then you'll be marked as full marks. Here's the example of the correct answer. So in here I answer yes. Two pieces of evidence. They had a sink and mirror here, and they could use a library and eat in nice restaurant. Second class could also enjoy library, nice restaurant. So write down in the comment section you answer no and give a proper reason. Your comment will also help others to study. Alright, next question. So now we are in question 5. Look at the fourth paragraph. 1, 2, 3, 4. First is 1. The writer uses language that tell us something frightening suddenly appeared. Which verb tells us this? 10 seconds. Okay, let's reveal the answer. So it's a loom. So we can see from here, around midnight, an iceberg loomed out. So something frightening is loom in here. Let's get moving to question 5b. Give a synonym for ship. From fourth paragraph, 10 seconds. Okay, let's reveal the answer, guys. So it's vessel. We can see from here, vessel is also the synonym for ship. The vessel broke into two. Let's get to the next number. Now still in 5C, how do you think the captain felt when Titanic hit the iceberg? Explain your answer giving evidence from the text. Explanation 1 marks, evidence 1 marks. 10 seconds from now. Okay, let's reveal the answer, guys. So explanation, I think he must have been horrified or scared to learn that many people, including passenger, would die. Because in here it stated knew that the collision meant Titanic would sink in just hours. Evidence he knew the ship would sink in matters of hours. Alright, let's get moving to next number. Okay, so question 6 is the last for text A. The information in the final paragraph connects back to the second paragraph. Explain how, give one idea. 10 seconds. Okay, let's check out the answer, guys. So the ship's first journey is discussed in both paragraphs as the ship's maiden voyage. So the answer is the ship's maiden voyage, and you can see from here is the maiden voyage in second paragraph and the final paragraph. And if you have any other option, you may write down in the comment section, because this question may have more than one answer. Who knows, your comment will help others. Alright, let's get to the text B now. So to answer question 7-11, we need to see text B. Text B is the Titanic quarter, Belfast. Let's get this text B read in 1 minute or 3 seconds. Let's get started. Okay, let's start question 7. Look at the first paragraph. Give one relative pronoun. 10 seconds from now. Got your answer, guys? So if not, you may pause and let's reveal the answer. So it's who, or you can answer whose. And let's take a look of what is relative pronoun. For those of you who have understood this concept, you may skip to the next question. So what is relative pronoun? Relative pronoun is pronoun used for different people, animals, or thing. Example, who is used for people, and example is in sentence, the woman who called yesterday wants to buy the house. And then whom is also for people, but is the object form, meaning is to relate the boy in here is the object. I know the boy whom sits next to you. Now that is also used for people. Besides that, is also for animals and things. It refers to subject or object both. So that is more general. So this is the situation that I expected, which refers to animals or things. So return my money, which I gave you yesterday evening. So things. Whose is used for people and animals. It refers to possessions. So example, the student whose assignment was excellent received a high grade. Okay, that's relative pronoun. Hope you understand, and let's get back to the insert. So now we see question 7b. Why was the writer impressed by Paul? Still first paragraph, 10 seconds. This is Paul. Okay, let's get to see the answer. If you have not finished, you may pause this video. Okay, so this is information with Paul, so let's reveal the answer. His understanding of Titanic facts is remarkable. If you have no other possible answer, please write down in the comment section and share your answer. Who knows, it will be helpful for others. Let's move on. Okay, question 8. Look at the second paragraph here. Which literary techniques is used in this paragraph? Onomatopoeia, personification, rhyme, or simile. So let's take 10 seconds to answer the question in the second paragraph. Okay, let's check the answer, guys. So it's a personification. So let's take a look of what is the meaning of each of these literary techniques. And we see that personification. So onomatopoeia is a word that imitates the sound it represents. Example, splash, pop, bang. That's onomatopoeia. Now personification. Personification is the act of giving non-human things human character, like the cars come to life, the flowers dance in a breeze. So in this question we see in this text, Belfast gets to tell. So Belfast is described as a person that can tell its part in a ship's story. Alright, that should be the answer. After that we will see about rhyme and simile. So rhyme is a repetition of similar sounds in two or more words, like news and views. That's rhymes. We don't have see the rhymes there in the second paragraph. Now simile. Simile is comparison between two different things. Simile use connecting words like and as. Example of simile is she swims like a fish. He is as hairy as a gorilla. So there's the word like and as. Let's move on. So we don't see that in the second paragraph for simile. Now let's see next question. Give a synonym for a very sad event. So second paragraph, 10 seconds. This should be a really easy question. Let's take a look at the answer. So it's a tragedy. You can see in here is human tragedy. Is very sad event. Next question. Now look at the third paragraph. How can visitors change some of the display? 10 seconds from now. Okay, let's see the answer. So they can touch interactive screen. We can see from here plenty of interactive screen that brings the whole story to life. Alright, let's move on. So question 10, look at the fourth paragraph. Look at the second sentence. Give the subordinate clause. Fourth paragraph, second sentence. 1, 2, 3, 4, second sentence. The tours are sensibly priced, giving great value for money. So that is the second sentence. 10 seconds from now. Subordinate clause. Okay, let's check the answer, guys. So giving great value of money is for sure here. Giving great value of money is the subordinate clause. So let's take a look of what is subordinate clause. What is a clause? Clause is a word of group that contains a verb and its subject, and that is used as sentence or part of a sentence. So it must contain verb. Now, what is subordinate clause? Subordinate clause is known as dependent clause, which is a type of clause that cannot stand alone as a complete sentence. and because it does not express a complete thought. So example, although I was scared, subordinate clause, I carefully crossed the bridge. So that's main clause. So this is the subordinate clause giving great value of money. So the tours are sensibly priced, main clause, giving great value for money, that is subordinate clause. Next, how does the writer persuade the reader that they should visit the Titanic quarter? Give one idea. 10 seconds. Okay, let's check out the answer, guys. He says that a visit is undoubtedly worthwhile, so definitely a worth visit. Alright, if you have any other option, any other answer, please write in the comment section. Who knows, your answer may be helpful to some others. Well, let's move to next. Here we go, question 11. Match each idea with the correct paragraph of the text. One example has been done for you. Idea, linking the city to the Titanic, paragraph 2 here. Alright, getting refreshment, which paragraph? Admiring the appearance of the museum, which paragraph? And discovering how the passenger ate. So 10 seconds from now. Getting refreshment, admiring, discovering how the passenger ate. Alright, let's check the answer, guys. If you have not finished, you may pause this video. Here we go. Getting refreshment is paragraph 4. You can see here. Pop in the restaurant for a bite to eat before you leave. Admiring the appearance of a museum is paragraph 1. You can see that all around the outside of beautiful building, the beautiful building, the Titanic Museum is set in. So admiring, discovering how the passenger eat. So the range of tableware that each class of passenger on ship use, each item on display is the range. So that is paragraph 3. Alright, let's move on. This is section B, writing. We spent 3 minutes in this section. You have been on a one-day trip to a museum with your school. Write a review of the museum for your school website. Remember to include the features of review writing. Space your plan here. Make a diagram or sketch. After you have provided 2 full pages to write. Here are some tips for writing a review on a day trip to museum. So here's the features of review writing. Paragraph 1, it is just an example. You may include paragraph 1 for introduction. So this is just an example. You can include paragraph 1 as introduction, paragraph 2 what you like, paragraph 3 what you dislike. So paragraph 4, overall opinion and recommendation. So paragraph 1, introduction, you can include, this is just an example, start with something to engage the reader, mention general information for introduction, and it's just a tips that try to write. If you can write up to 1 page or 1.5 page, that will be good. Alright, don't write less than half page, definitely you're gonna get a good score. And pay attention to the grammar, sentence structure, vocabulary, punctuation, full stop, capital and everything, and how to engage the reader. And also make sure that you can link the one paragraph to the next paragraph smoothly. And the last but not least, of course, correct spelling and relevant respond to the instruction. You have to write a review of the museum. Alright, that's all for today. Please check link in the description. You may see all useful free resources and also link to other video. Bye bye and God bless you, and see you in the next video. Bye.